Hi there, this is me, Dwayne.
And Daniel. We're here to tour you to our math museum. A variation occurs when the two values of the items are coupled in such a manner that an increase or decrease in the value of one object affects the value of the other.
Here we have Cassandra Ling to explain direct variation.
Direct variation, a mathematical relationship between two variables that may be stated using an equation in which one variable equals a constant times the other. When one quantity varies in direct proportion to the other, this is referred to as direct variation. If the following conditions are met, the amounts are said to be in direct proportion. If their respective ratios are the same, a rise in amount A leads to an increase in quantity B and vice versa. The formula for direct variation is y equals kx or y over x equals k, whereas k is the constant of variation.
Kurt uses 10 liters of diesel to travel 60 kilometers. If the volume of diesel varies directly, capital D, as the distance traveled, small d, how many liters of diesel will be used on a trip of 150 kilometers? Solution. Diesel over distance is equals to diesel over distance. 10 over 60 is equals to D, capital D, over 150. Multiply, cross-multiply it. Solution. Diesel over distance is equals to diesel over distance. 10 over 60, D over 150. Cross-multiply it. So, 10 times 150 is equals 1,500. And 60 times D is equals 60D. So, 60D is equals 1,500. 60D and 1,500 over 60 divided by 60. Cancel out 60D, divide 1,500 to 60. So, D is equals 25. Kurt uses 25 liters of diesel to travel 150 kilometers.
And now on the other side, we have Johan to explain what is indirect variation.
Indirect variation is a relationship in which one variable's absolute value decreases as the other increases. If the following conditions are met, the amounts are said to be inverse proportion. When amount A is increased, quantity B is reduced, and vice versa. The indirect variation formula is y equals k over x or k equals yx, where k is the constant of variation.
If y varies inversely as x and that y equals 8, when x equals 3, find y when x equals 12. Y over x equals to y over x. 8 over 3 is equals to y over 12. 3y is equals to 96. 3y and 96 over 3 and cancel out 3. So y is equals to 32.
And that's it. I hope you learned something. Thank you!